Hello, I am going to show you how to use our personal cup of tea here. This is such a great at-home built-in infuser, double-walled glass with a lid. It's perfect. All right, so in the current catalog, the lid is blue. This is a past one, which was copper. It was a host special, but it has its own infuser built right into it. And I love that all of our infusers are fine mesh. You'll notice that they have very small holes so that you can use this with any type of tea. Now I've already filled my cup with hot water. It's about 2 cups. And tonight I'm going to use our cinnamon bun rooibos tea, brand new package, because this is one that I go through quite often. It's very simple to do. Open up your package, and I love to smell our teas. You're going to go ahead and just drop your infuser right in it. It's got a handle so you can take that in and out without having to worry about burning your hands. Rooibos teas are 1.5 teaspoons per serving. I am doing 2 servings, so I'm using my perfect cup spoon to measure my tea, and it'll tell you right on the spoon which one it is. This is a teaspoon. I want you always to notice on our packaging, it's going to tell you exactly how to make your tea. All right, here is the name of your tea, your ingredients, your nutritional value, and then how to make a hot cup of tea. So it is telling you that this is 1.5 teaspoons per serving. You can steep it 2 times, so don't toss out your leaves. You're going to be able to use it a second time. And then at rooibos teas, we steep 5 to 6 minutes. Now, a little fact about rooibos teas. They come from a bush in South Africa, so they are not from the traditional plant of the Camellia sinensis, which produces our white, our green, our black, our pu'ers, our oolongs. Those are all done from that same plant, just from different growing stages. Rooibos means red bush, and it comes from South Africa. And it is naturally caffeine free because we do not chemically treat any of our teas to take caffeine out. Now, with a rooibos tea, they're great for the evening, like cinnamon bun. We can steep this and drink this just as is, which is what I will do with this one. And then you can always make it into, say, maybe you'd like it into a cocktail, add a little favorite liqueur like cinnamon bun. Fireball is really good with it. You can make it into a latte by adding milk to it. There's all kinds of different things. Now, I made a rooibos tea in this particular cup, but you could use any type of tea. You could use a black tea, you could use a white tea, a green tea, oolong, pu'er. You could steep just about fruit teas, our magical teas. You could steep any of those. Again, you'll just want to follow the package's instruction on how long to steep it, how many times you can steep it, and how much tea to use, okay? So this is going to sit for 5 to 6 minutes. And one of the things that I love about the cap is that, one, I can keep it on there to maintain the heat in my cup, or I can also use it when I take my infuser out. Just put it right here, and then it's got its own little tray, and any excess liquid will just fall into the lid, and I'll go ahead and enjoy my tea. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.